Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to factory reset or format your iPhone. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be want to format completely factory reset your iPhone, or you would like to sell your iPhone to someone else and you would like to let's delete all your data. Anyway, first of all, what you have to do, I will suggest you, if you like to sell your phone or you would like to factory reset, then I will suggest you to sign out your Apple ID from Apple account. Actually I don't have, I already signed out. Now I will factory reset my phone, so that means there will be no any data in my phone. So if you like to factory reset or completely format your iPhone, you need to click in your iPhone settings section. After click over there, you need to scroll down and you will find there's something says general. After click over general, you will see screen appear just like this, and from here you need to scroll down and then you will find there's something say transfer or reset iPhone. After click over transfer reset iPhone, we will see screen appear just like this. You need to click here, erase all content and setting. So after click over erase all content and setting, a pop-up going to appear saying to erase this iPhone. Erasing will remove your personal data, so this phone can be safely traded in or give away. The following item will be safely removed from this phone: apps and data, which is 72 GB. If you would like to, you can click here continue. If you don't want, you can click here not now. So I would like to completely factory reset my iPhone, so we're going to click here continue, and then a pop-up going to appear. Are you sure you want to erase all media content and setting? This cannot be undo, so make sure that if you reset, everything going to be completely deleted from your phone. So we're going to click here erase iPhone, and then it will ask you to passcode for this phone. So I'm going to type here my phone passcode, and then it's going to be completely reset, erasing all the data I have in my phone. And it's obviously it's going to be take some time to reset all setting, because it has a lot of data. So depending on your phone how much data available, so it will take some time. After that it's going to appear as a new phone, and then you can easily hand over to anyone if they like to, or if you like to sell your phone to anyone. Now you can see after restart my phone couple of times, and then we'll see the welcome screen saying to swipe up. So now my phone is already reset and it has removed all the data. So I'm going to just swipe up, and then it's going to appear just like this screen. So you have to let me make it you can choose any language you want. So I'm going to choose here English, and then select your country or region. So you have to select your country and region, which is Saudi Arabia, and then I'm going to click here continue, and then saying to quickly set up iPhone, set up without another device, and then you can see it's set up later setting, and you can connect with your Wi-Fi and things. So this is how you can easily reset your iPhone if you would like to. So that's one now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.